Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg quality better. We'll dive right into understanding the crucial elements that impact your egg health, focusing on actionable steps you can take. We'll cover essential nutritional strategies, highlighting specific foods and nutrients that play a vital role. Additionally, we'll explore beneficial lifestyle adjustments, from managing stress to optimizing sleep, and discuss supportive supplements and practices to help you on your journey. Let's get started. Nourishing your body with the right foods is fundamental for egg quality. Aim to consume a rainbow of colorful fruits and vegetables every day, providing powerful antioxidants that protect cells. Incorporate healthy fats, such as omega-3 fatty acids found in fish or flaxseed, which are crucial for cellular health. Prioritize lean proteins and complex carbohydrates to maintain stable blood sugar and energy levels. Remember, a balanced diet rich in essential vitamins and minerals supports overall reproductive wellness. Beyond diet, your daily habits significantly influence egg quality. Effectively managing stress is vital. Consider practices like meditation, deep breathing, or gentle yoga. Prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of quality, uninterrupted sleep every single night, as rest is crucial for hormonal balance. Engage in moderate, regular physical activity for at least 30 minutes most days of the week, but avoid overexercising. Furthermore, minimize exposure to environmental toxins and endocrine disruptors found in plastics and certain chemicals. To further support egg quality, certain practices and supplements can be beneficial. Many individuals consider targeted supplements such as coenzyme Q10, known for its role in cellular energy, or myo-inositol, which supports ovarian function. Always discuss any supplement regimen with a healthcare professional to ensure it's appropriate for your individual needs. Maintaining a healthy body weight is also important, as both being underweight and overweight can affect hormonal balance. Finally, remember to stay well hydrated by drinking at least 8 glasses of water daily.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.